Welcome to the 3D Ghost universe, a place dedicated to 3D creation and 3D printing. In this video, we will see how a 3D Builder can be helpful to modify a creation from Blender. In 3D Builder, you have a few modifications to do really simply. If you go to Edit, you will have the possibility to split your object really quickly. So, for example, if I want to split it right here, once again, the snapping tool is powerful. I can decide where I want to snap. Maybe I want to snap here. I will keep what he calls the bottom of the object, the side of the object. Okay. And now it's cut, clean cut. Okay, perfect. I will copy paste it. Maybe I will do a mirror to this object. And then, with the snapping tool, it's really easy to create this shape. I don't know if it's a decorative object, but maybe I can print this part in white, this part in black, and I can have something of an artistic way to create things. I don't know. But what is great with 3D Builder is that you can create connection really quickly, what you can't really do in what you will do with Blender using Boolean, modifier, etc. You will do it quickly with 3D Builder. For example, with this cylinder, I will do a quick rotation. Once again, snapping tool, 90-degree, easily. Then I will move the object. Maybe at first I will resize the object. Okay. Then I will move the object. Once again, snapping tool is positioning really perfectly in the middle of the object. We will go to view, X-ray, and now we can position the object in the middle right here. Snapping tool, perfect. Okay. Maybe it's too big once again. So okay, so now we will once again do the positioning right in the middle of the two pieces. Perfect. I will go to the cylinder, copy paste, and I will go to the cylinder of the middle, simply go to Edit, Substrate. The cylinder disappeared, and now we have two objects with a hole inside. So I can print this part. We will go to classic view. I can print this part, and the connector. And then I will be able to put the connector in those two parts, and it will be perfectly fit. I can glue it, I can do what I want. It will be perfect. So this is a quickest way to create connectors, a quickest way to cut an object. If we undo everything, and we will stay with the shape of the beginning. Maybe I don't want to print that. I want to do a pedestal for only the highest part of the dog. So once again, I can split quickly. I can keep this. No, I don't want. And maybe once again, I will do another cut. So we go to Edit, to Split. Right here. Okay, I will keep the head and the neck. Okay. It's okay, but I want to print it and to put it on a cube, for example. Creating a cube. I will change the size. Okay, so now I can easily grab the head and to snap it on the pedestal. Once again, snapping tool inside. It's great for positioning. It's great for helping you putting the object in the middle of another object, for example. And now I have something that I can print. I'm not okay with the size. I can change it. Once again, snapping tool will do the job really quickly and easily. So it's another way to do this. And the last thing is that maybe I will try to create, I don't know the word in English, but I will try to create something hollow in order to have the possibility to put maybe some coin inside. So I will only keep the head, okay? I will settle it, okay, directly on my printing bed. And this is to create an hollow object is not so simple in Blender, but you will see that in 3D Builder it will be really easy. You go to, sorry, maybe it was quick. You go to Edit, Hollow, and now you will decide the thickness of the inside wall. We will say 2 millimeters. Okay, no problem. What I will do is that I will create a hole inside the head and we will see if it's hollow or not. So taking this cube, yeah, positioning, once again, snapping tool will position really easily in the middle of the object. As you can see, it's snapping good. So what we will do is, once again, a subtract. Okay, as you can see, we will have a rotation on the head. We can see that we have a hole and we can see that the object is hollow. So you will be able to print it. Of course, and the inside is not really artistic, but it's a good way to hollow quickly an object. And of course, if you are creating from scratch, you will have everything in Blender to create a great hollow object. But if you are using an old creation that you created without the idea to have a hollow object at the beginning, it's easy to recycle your creation and to change it and to create a hollow object with 3D Builder. And with this kind of hollow object and transparent PLA, for example, you can create something reacting to light, for example. So I share with you some ways to do things differently and quickly in 3D Builders and in Blender, and I'm sure that your imagination will allow you to do some crazy stuff.